Alright, so you're out there shopping for a new smartwatch and you've narrowed it down to Huawei Watch GT6 Pro and Galaxy Watch Ultra. Well, buckle up because I've used both and I'm about to make your decision a whole lot easier or maybe harder. Let's get into it. First off, the Huawei Watch GT6 Pro. It's like the Swiss Army knife of outdoor watches. We're talking cycling metrics, trail running, and golf, all in one sleek package. And did I mention the 21-day battery life? That's right, you can literally forget your charger for weeks. Plus, it's made of sapphire glass and aerospace grade titanium, so you could probably use it to survive a zombie apocalypse, or just look cool while hiking. Now let's swing over to the Galaxy Watch Ultra. This one, it's a beast. It's got all the usual features you'd expect: fitness tracking, heart rate monitoring, and a compass, but the thing I love most is that it's built like a tank. You could probably drop it off a cliff and it would still be fine. And unlike the Huawei, it's got LTE connectivity, which means you can leave your phone behind and still stay connected. So if you're all about those long outdoor adventures, the Huawei GT6 Pro will last longer than your weekend plans. But if you want something with top tier durability and the option to leave your phone behind, the Galaxy Watch Ultra is your go-to. In the end, both watches are amazing, but it all comes down to what you need. More adventure time, go for the Huawei. Need something tough and connected? The Galaxy's got you. Either way, both are top contenders in the smartwatch game. Don't forget to hit like if this helped and let me know in the comments which one you're eyeing.